Next topic is important heat zones of the earth. There are three heat zones: torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. Torrid zone. First of all, torrid means so hot. The zone lies in between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is torrid zone. This zone only receives the maximum heat of the sun. Temperate zone. The zone lies in between the Arctic Circle and Tropic of Capricorn is North Temperate Zone, because North Temperate Zone is in Northern Hemisphere. On the other hand, the zone lies in between the Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle is South Temperate Zone. South Temperate Zone is in Southern Hemisphere. This zone or temperate zone receives the slanting rays of the sun. Next zone is frigid zone. Frigid means cold. This zone lies in between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole is North Frigid Zone in Northern Hemisphere. On the other hand, the zone lies in between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole is South Frigid Zone in Southern Hemisphere. Frigid zone is too cold because this zone only receives the extreme slanting rays of the sun. Or we can say here the sun does not rise. Okay. Next topic is longitude. Those imaginary lines moves from North Pole to South Pole. North Pole to South Pole. Imaginary line moves from North Pole to South Pole is known as meridians. The other name of meridians is lines of longitude. Imaginary line who divides the earth into two equal parts is known as prime meridian. Here, the prime meridian divides the earth into two equal parts. This is Eastern Hemisphere and this is Western Hemisphere. In Eastern Hemisphere, there are 180 meridians in Eastern Hemisphere and there are 180 meridians in Western Hemisphere. Hence, total number of meridians are 360 meridians. Prime meridian is the 0 degree longitude which passes through Greenwich and is considered as the starting point for the meridian. I am repeating, prime meridian is considered as the starting point for the meridians. Meridians who moves from North Pole to South Pole. Now, next topic is grid. Grid, the point where lines of latitudes and lines of longitudes intersect with each other is called grid. Let's see. Lines of latitudes, those who runs from west to east. These are many parallel lines, and lines of longitudes who runs from North Pole to South Pole. There are many meridians again. Those two lines where intersect with each other, this point is known as grid. There are many points like this. Now this completes the chapter.